You want me to take that? So you want steak? Oh. And you want red and yellow peppers? Okay. Oh. Thank you. You said thanks? Yeah. Oh, look, there's wine. You got it. That's onion. Thank you. He's eating peanut butter and jelly. And he's digging in the fridge for something else. Didn't you want banana with your peanut butter and jelly? Yeah? Careful what you drop. Tess is in there for the droppings there, Pumpkin. That's the meat. No, don't climb up in there. That's broccoli. And that's mustard. No, I don't think mustard goes with everything you've pulled out. And that's sour cream. Hey, dog, move. You were so cute. Oh, what you got? That's jelly. Don't throw it. Eat it. You want your banana now? What are you going for? That's eggs and lettuce. That's yogurt. Well, that's not the kind of yogurt we eat. That's our friend's yogurt. What else? You're just tearing that sandwich up. Do you want to come up out of the refrigerator now? Are you cold? Are you cold? Caleb? Are you cold? Oh yeah, you are, huh? Okay, there's your juice. No. No, don't. No, sir. Leave that one. That's glass. Don't touch. Yeah. Yum, huh? Are you going to close the door? Close the door. No, close the door. You push it closed. No, that's glass. We don't play with that. Oh my gosh. Close it. Push. Push. Yay! Yay! Good job. Nope, let's leave it closed.